said, there's so much distractions in this world. As I said, did you know young people spend an average of 9 hours on their nuclear devices? That means their phone, on the internet, watching TV. Why are you watching? Listen, no one's saying not have fun, but you're spending hours and not really focusing in your life. What benefit does that add to you? So I've been up this methodology called Be Free, which will enable you to be free, and hopefully you'll be able to take some advice on this. So, first thing is free investments, your mind. Did you know that we have 50,000 to 70,000 thoughts a day? And it's important to feed your mind with positive things. Because if you're around people that are talking negative all the time, that's not the type of people you want to be around. And around 9 thoughts, you become 10 thoughts. So think about that, because your network will be a reflection of your network in the future. And remember I told you that. Your network will be a reflection of your network. And family is so important. Is that we've got into this habit of only spending time with our family when it's Christmas or when it's someone's birthday. But we need to appreciate family. Just even calling someone and saying, how are you? Not calling them because you want something. And property, and I'm not saying physical properties, I'm talking about assets like stocks. That's you. You're owning a property, invest in yourself. Not £100 on these trainers that are just going to disappear. Therefore, ask yourself, what value is that adding? Invest in yourself, read a book. You know, one of the greatest things in life is that you can now read a book here in a month. And yet these people spend years doing the research. They didn't actually learn so much from a book. So if I'm not joking, one thing I'll say is invest in books. Listen to podcasts. And I'm talking about 3 P's. Positive, persistent, and patient. As I said, you've got to be positive people, man. It's your mind that will determine the actions that you take. And persistence. Like you might fall on the first level. Like, I didn't do great in school. I didn't give up. I went to college and I went to university and I eventually made it. And I've worked with some of the biggest companies in the world and I'm like, wow, I've actually done it. When I look back, I'm like, if I'd given up, I wouldn't have got to where I got to. And remember, as I said, that people are going to tell you, you can't do this and do that. Just remember that. You live your own life, you're running your own race, so make sure you win your race. And patient. This is the thing that a lot of young people struggle with, patience. Everyone wants quick success. You've got to be patient. You've got to be willing to put in the time. You've got to be willing to put in the work. If you really want something, put in the work. Look, think about it. How much time would you spend on playing FIFA? If you could put that same time you spend on playing FIFA on something more valuable, you can get somewhere in life. Like CeeLo Garden, CeeLo Street. And the 3 actions. Work smarter, make a difference, and love life. And I'd love to end on this note. Remember, this is your life, so live it, live it for this. Take care.